Whoops. I forgot to press live. So it's kind of funny because when I start the live stream, right, I obviously press like streaming on OBS, but then I've also got to press go live on YouTube. So we're live here on YouTube. The market is open. I've been live talking to nobody. Well, we're back. We're good. What's popping? This morning, the market making a move up here. We've got the 451 as the next resistance. So 451, 450 area resistance there on the hourly chart. Look at the daily here on the SPY this morning. That 451 kind of resistance. Big old yesterday, just a big old recovery off of that 437 level, pushing up there to 446. Remember yesterday I said that I had a pretty strong feeling that the market would push up to the 450 level yesterday. And well, guess where we pushed up to? Yesterday we closed at the 445, let's say, yeah, 445 level. So Netflix coming out with amazing news that they've lost, I think, 200,000 subscribers. Look at Netflix from 359 down to 342. Netflix getting murdered here, my friends. Wowzers. Did anybody buy put options on Netflix? Anybody? Anybody at all? Oh my gosh. You should have. If you didn't buy put options. Oof. Here we go. Here we go. Netflix, 241 right now. Pretty amazing to see that big of a drop. What was that? It's down right now. Netflix is down 36% right now since yesterday's close, basically. Wow. That's painful. That is painful. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's poppin'? Anybody here? Anybody live? Are we live? Are we living? Netflix losing 200,000 subscribers and the stock plummeting 36%. Whoo, baby. Don't worry. Jim Cramer said to buy Netflix. Well, probably a bad idea. So right now the SPY here at the 446 level, we got a little bit of gap in the chart here. Got a gap in the chart from the 445 to 443 level. I'm watching to see where this can off. We can't hold. I think if the SPY can't hold this 446 level, I'm looking for a gap fill here. So I'm going to be looking. If we break below 446, well, then I think maybe the 444 puts might be good for a day trade. So let's see what happens here. Sometimes I wake up in the morning, my hair just does whatever it wants to do. It's got its mind of its own. Well, good morning, good morning. I already missed out on the good morning speech for you guys. I started the live stream, but I actually wasn't live on YouTube. So now we're live. Welcome to the live stream. We're getting started. This 446 level getting tested right now on the SPY. So let's go. Let's see what happens here. Like I said, looking for a break below 446 here. And then looking at those 444 puts that expire today. It's Wednesday. Wednesday morning, baby. Let's go. What is it? It's Wednesday, right? Yeah. Happy hump day. Happy hump day here. So yeah, if we break below 446.50 area, I think there's good potential to fill this gap here at the 443.50 from the 445, 443.50. I think it's doable. I think it's doable there. I like it. I like it a lot. What are you guys looking at? What hot stocks are you looking at today? AMC here at the 1794 area, below $18 again. Look at that denial this morning. I think it maybe because of Netflix. Maybe you think AMC's down because of Netflix today? I don't know. If Netflix can't keep customers, how in the world is AMC gonna get more customers? That's a good question. Good question. Good morning, good morning. It's currently 3:38. We're in Hawaii. We're living the dream. Let's go. Let's get it started. Let's go. If you're just now tuning in, hit that like button. Let's do it together, my friends. Only one way to go, and that's straight to the moon. Straight to the moon together. The SPY still holding that 446 level right now. Looking like some indecision here on the 15-minute chart. Watching to see what happens with this 15-minute candle on the SPY. We've only got 10 minutes as the market is open here. So just waiting to see if we can hold that 446.50 level on the SPY. Like I said, if it breaks below 446.50 here, looking at those 444 put options here that expire on Wednesday. So zero DTE here, baby. Also today, we've got ApeCoin, APEX. This one going to the moon right now. It's up 27%. Where is that? Ape, yeah, here we go. Ape USDT. Ape. You can see ApeCoin this morning up to a high of $17.25, just going nuts from $13 up there to $17.50. You got a 30% move in the last 12 hours. Not bad. ApeCoin. Talked about this one on the channel multiple times. The SPY testing that 446 level here. Looking at the 444 puts. They're currently trading at 55 cents. Let's see if we can get a move here. If market starts to sell, those 442 puts are selling right now for 58 cents, 60 cents. Looking like we're gonna go to the down, break to the downside below this 446.50 level here. Just watching this 15-minute candle. If we get a close, we got 3 minutes left here. Looking for a gap fill on the chart. You can see basically from here to here, so about a 0.6% move there on that gap. So we got a nice little gap in the chart here. Looking for a break below 445. And we'll see if these 442 puts can double in value from the 60 cent area. I think they can run up here. They can run up. Oh, baby. She's breaking to the downside. Good morning, good morning. Aloha. What time do I go to bed? I go to bed at 8 o'clock. So if I go to bed at 8 o'clock and then I wake up at 3:30, So yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good time. What, I sleep? It's enough time to sleep. Yesterday, I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, check me out on Instagram. My Instagram account is at Patrick Wieland. Yesterday, this is what I did yesterday. I did the live stream for 5 hours in the morning, right? 5 hours. And then literally the minute that I quit live streaming, the market ended up going straight up like we thought it would. But did the live stream 5 hours. Then I went and boxed for an hour. Did 12 rounds of boxing, some ab workout, cardio. So did that at what time? I did that at 10 a.m. Then I did a interview podcast thing at 1:30, and then I went and lifted weights at 5 o'clock from 5 to 6, and then ate dinner, went to bed, and now here we are in the live stream. Whee! Happy times. Solid day, baby. I'm all about maximizing my opportunity. All right, so that 446 getting sold through right here. Those 442 puts up to 70 cents now. I'm in at 59 cents on the 442 puts that expire today. Looking for a double move here, 100% move on these puts. The VIX is spiking up. Looking for a gap fill on the chart. We got 445 as a gap there. Looking for 443 target today. It looks small on the wave. Well, the wave's big. I'm big. The wave's big. So the wave made me look even smaller. You can see these 442 put options. These expire today, so we're going to get some volatility here, but looking for a gap fill on the chart. We're up to 72 cents now. I bought in at 59 cents. Looking for a move up here. Yeah, I do a lot of wing foiling, actually. It's kind of like kiteboarding. Up to 75 cents now on these puts. I think we got a really good chance of this gap fill happening right now. I don't know. It looks very much like it wants to fill this gap here. Remember that old saying, gaps love to get filled. So we got the support again at 445. 445 there, a little bit of support, and then that gap 445 to 443.50. So looking pretty good so far. We get this break below 445. I think it's just going to sell. The QQQs are getting sold right now as well. You can see the QQQ. My internet works here. Selling and filling the gap there. So we might get a little reversal here as the Qs already filled the gap. The SPY following there. We're up to 80 cents now on those put options. The VIX is spiking. 2038 on the VIX right now. We got some action, baby. Let's go. We break below this 445 here. It's off to the races. We're up to 81 cents now on those put options. There we go. 81 cents now. If we put this, let's see what kind of move that would be. I mean, that's not even a 1% move to the downside, really, from open. So I think it's very doable to fill this gap, the 443s. We're up to almost 85 cents now on those put options that we paid 59 cents for. Watching the Qs here. I want to see the QQ just break to the downside here and hit 343 and continue to sell through. The VIX is spiking. The SPY 445.50. Let's go. Oh God. Oh God. There we go. 86 cents now. 90 cents on those put options. You can see these put options from the 59 cent level up to almost 90 cents now. So if we get up to almost $1, I'll look to take a little bit of profit here. We're touching down on that 445 level now. 445.14 on the SPY. So I think we still have some more room to go. I'd like to see that 443 level as a target here. Up to 80, I think so far the high around 90 cents there on those, 88 cents on those put options that we paid 59 cents for. Let's go. Is it raining right now? It's raining right now. Early morning. Netflix got hammered. Yes, it did. We need Netflix to keep on selling, baby. Just bring the whole market down with it. What's amazing is you look at Netflix here on the daily chart. I mean, Netflix has just gotten murdered. Look at the last earnings report. Same thing. Just got murdered from the 525 area down to 394. I mean, guys, Netflix was trading at almost $700 November 2021. I mean, from the highs, all-time high, to where it is now, it's down 65%. I mean, this is not a penny stock. This is not a, you know, this is Netflix. This is you know, the real deal. It's pretty insane. Pretty insane. SPY trying to go red here on the day. We need to break through this 445 level and fill this gap here. Those put options went to a high so far of, we got, what? A high of 97 cents. So if we can break through 445 here on the SPY, I think we can get down here, like I said, fill this gap to the 443s. Overall, pretty bearish on the day right now, my friends. But look at this thing. Oh, my gosh. Let's go. We need everything just to start crashing and crashing. Facebook also down to the $206 level. I mean, everything. All the tech stocks just got murdered. Imagine if you bought the high back there in September of 2021 on Facebook. Some new investor jumped into Facebook. You know, like, hey, I like the Facebook. I want to buy the Facebook. It is a good stock to buy because it is Facebook. Oh my gosh. Here we go. These call options now up to almost $1, baby. Remember, we paid 59 cents. You can see my entry down here at the below 60 cents right now. We're holding strong. I think this thing is going to fill this gap here on the SPY right now. So let's go. What do I think about Netflix? Good time to buy the dip. I mean, you see the chart. I mean, it had a huge dip back there in January as well. I mean, it popped from 350 up to 450 there in January, but still, I'm not sure it's time to buy the dip just yet. In theory, it should kind of bounce in this area. I mean, it bounced back there in 2018. It's got some support. So Netflix does have support here at this 230 level. So in theory here, there should be some support down here on Netflix. So there, you know, it could be an opportunity to buy the dip. Just putting it out there if you're into that kind of stuff. But I'm definitely not buying the dip, trying to hold and hope and pray. None of that, my friends. None of that. So I'm gonna take some of these puts. I'm gonna sell some here at the, I think I'm gonna sell one at 95 cents. So lock in some profit. So we bought at 59 cents. We're selling at 95 cents. We're gonna hold a few for the move down. I think there's still plenty of room to go lower here today on the SPY. So remember, we paid 59 cents for those put options, and it went to a high up to $1.02. Is Walmart going to the moon right now? Walmart, whoo-hoo-hoo. Walmart up to $159. Let's go. You know what's funny about Walmart? You know what's funny about Walmart? Y'all want to know a funny story about Walmart? Well, you know, I made a video talking about Walmart 4 years ago as a good long-term buy here on the channel. Check this out. Check this out. It was 2018. Wow. This is 110. Walmart was trading at 110. No, wait. What was it trading at there? 67 cents. I mean, $67. Wow. Come on. 4 years ago, Walmart, I thought buy Walmart stock for a long-term hold. And that was 2018. If you look at 2018 here at Walmart, it went down to $82. So since Walmart went to $82, it's went up almost 100% in the last 4 years. Obviously not the biggest return ever, but you know, I don't want to say I'm Jim Cramer over here, but I feel like I'm doing better than Jim Cramer right now, because Jim Cramer told everyone to buy Netflix in January of 2022. And, well, if you've seen the chart on Netflix here in 2022, it's been down, down, down. It's been down, down, down. Oh, you know, I didn't even look at the. I want to look at the puts on Netflix. Like, how much do those puts go up? Let me look. Imagine if you bought 230, or let's just say 250 puts. Let's see what that looks like. Let's say you bought $250 puts that expire on Friday. How much do those move? Let's see. 250 puts. 250 puts. Puts. Not gonna come up. Netflix puts 250. Why is it not coming up? 250. Come on. The SPY is still pushing lower here. My puts up to almost a dollar again here. You can see these are the puts. I paid 59 cents for these 442 puts. Told you guys before this move happened, those 442 puts is what I was watching. We're up from 60 cents almost to a dollar now on the SPY puts. Those 442 puts that expire today. Don't say I didn't tell you so. I told you so. Not that I'm that worried about it, but, well, there it is. The SPY getting me some money today. Locking in some profit here on these puts. They're at the 95-cent level again. And then I'm going to hold Dollar Tree. Yeah, I'm sure Dollar Tree's doing good too, but 445 on the SPY. It's going to crack. We're going to crack it, baby. Look at the 3-minute chart here on the SPY. Finding some support there at 445, but I think we're gonna fill this gap. It wants to fill that gap so badly. If we fill the gap to the 443s, I expect these puts to go up to like 150. Hey, I'm not saying that, you know, Walmart was the best trade ever. I'm just saying, you know, we talked about Walmart here on the channel. We did it together, my friends. Looking to see if we can break below this 445 level here on the SPY right now. If you're just now tuning in, don't be afraid to hit that like button, subscribe button. Let's go. Get it going, my friends. I can't live stream too long today because I actually am going tow surfing. I got to be at the harbor at 5:30. It's 4 o'clock in the morning here in Hawaii. Do I prefer the 3-minute chart over the 1-minute chart? Yes. The reason I like the 3-minute chart is I think it's a good middle ground between the 1-minute chart and the 5-minute chart. You know, at the end of the day, the price action, you know, on the 15 depends. Obviously, I definitely prefer the 3-minute chart here. Okay, here we go. These puts are now up to almost $1.05 now. Come on, baby. Let's print. Let's print. We're up almost, what are we up? Guys, we're up almost 100% since I put out this call, put out this put play here. You can see these puts paid 59 cents. We went to a high so far of $1.08. I've sold most of them. We got 2 left right now. So the $300 puts on Netflix were $350. Now they're $60. Oh my gosh. The SPY finding some buyers here at the 445. Can't go wrong taking a little bit of profit up here at the dollar level when you paid 59 cents for those puts, but I'm going to hold on to some just in case the market continues to go lower today. If we get this gap fill, we get down to the 442, 441 level today. I mean, I think it's doable. Very doable. And looking here at the overall move, I mean, you're looking 1% down, 1.2% down is 442. So, I mean, even lower actually. So from here, yeah. 1% down is still 442. So there's still room there. Look at this, up to $1.10 now on those puts. There we go. Are we up 100% yet? Are we up 100%? Oh, there we go. About 100% move now. Now up to $1.20. Are you not entertained, people? Are you not entertained? Just kidding. I love you guys. Looking to take some profit here. $13 on those put options for 100%. Pretty much 100%. What is that? Yeah. I'll take it. I'm gonna claim it's 100% gain, baby. We paid 59 cents. We started selling up the 90-cent area all the way up there to $1.20 now on those put options. You can see almost getting the gap fill. We still got a little bit more downside there on those 442 puts. These are, wait, I'm so sorry. These are 440 puts. 444 puts. Sorry about that. It's 442 put options that I paid 59 cents for this morning, and now they're up above $1. I was confused for a minute. I don't know why I said 442, but those were 444 puts. I apologize. But still, the 442s have done the same exact move. I mean, the 442s this morning went from 20 cents up to 50 cents. So you've got even bigger move on those. You can see those this morning. Yeah, the 442 puts went up almost 200%. So if you would have bought the 442 puts instead of the 444, you might have done even better than me. But the 444 still went up 100%. Not bad. Doing it all live right here on YouTube. If you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, well, you know what to do. Like it, love it, live it, baby. Let's go. What else we got going on? And the Netflix down to 226 now. It's just sell, sell, sell. A lot of people waking up this morning going, "Oh my gosh, I gotta sell this." Could you? I will say honestly, I'm pretty happy. Like, I haven't really ever invested long term in a company that has went down 60%. I mean, Netflix is just getting crushed this year. Since the end of 2021, Netflix has just been getting murdered. Absolutely murdered. Amazing. Why is this not? Why can I not pull this up? Why is this so annoying right now? I keep trying to pull up the Netflix options, but for some reason my broker does not want to pull it up. It's like, nah, just kidding. We ain't gonna pull it up. Do you have more info on calls and puts? I need to make a video here on the channel talking more about it. I've had a few requests, but you can see Netflix. This area here, that 230, the low, kind of like the 230, 225 area support there on Netflix. If it was going to bounce, like let's say best case scenario, Netflix is going to bounce. I mean, I think it would be best case scenario, it bounces here. Lower than that, I mean, Netflix is $80. So, I mean, from 250 or 240 down to 80, that's another 65% move. I'm not sure it's going to go that low, but hey, who knows? Somebody earlier was asking about buying Netflix here on the dip. I mean, it wouldn't be the worst idea ever, but still, there might be more downside to come first. Maybe it pulls back to like $200, 183, kind of being a little bit of support there as well. Yeah, I'd say maybe $200 is kind of the next area here on Netflix. The Spy having trouble not being able to break a back above 450, 445.50. So she's pulling back here. What are you guys looking at? What do you guys pop? What's the hot stock today to trade? Let's talk about it. What do we got going? What's popping off today? What is popping off today? 444.60 on the Spy now. Those 444 puts are going to the moon. We called out that I called out that 446 break. If 446 broke on the Spy to buy those 444, 442 puts at, they were 60 cents, 59 cents when I bought them. They're now trading at $1.10. Welcome to the party, baby. That's what it's all about. Little bit of money, little bit of party. That was a pretty solid read, though. Those gaps, I'm telling you, gaps love to be filled, baby. When I saw we gapped up there, the 447 area this morning, and then we had that gap down here at the 443. If we couldn't hold that pre-market kind of support at that 446.50 level, well, was pretty confident this was going to want to fill that gap. And that's exactly what we got so far. We got down to 444.39. Not terrible. Definitely not terrible. I watched that new TV show with Matt Brolin on Amazon. It's called Outer Range. Pretty good. I don't know. Anybody else watch any good shows right now? What's popping in your guys' TV show life? See if we get this fill, a gap fill, all the way down here to the 444, 443s. Good morning, good morning. Victory in the house. Tesla, Netflix, heading lower. Vlad said, okay, let's go. The Q is getting murdered right now. QQQ down to the 342 level. Netflix, 220. It's funny because like now I'm looking at Netflix, like I said earlier. I'm like, maybe there's potential to buy the dip here on Netflix, but I don't know. I still think the market's gonna go lower this year. I think I've been like trying to figure out, trying to like find a bullish like scenario for the market, but I don't see it. I don't know. Who knows? I don't see the bullish scenario. If that makes sense. The SPY down there to the 444.60 level again. I'm looking here on the SPY right now. 3-minute chart, holding this level right now, 343. Seems to be holding here. I think maybe there's some support here. The SPY 444.50. Those 444 puts are now at $1.15. Let's go. What are we thinking? Thinking we break lower here. If we stay below the VWAP envelope there. Could be a reversal, break it back above 445 here, maybe push back up to the 446 level. Test that VWAP here again. Could test the VWAP here. Looking for maybe a pushback up here on the SPY, get back above 445. $445 getting tested here on the SPY right now. On the 15-minute chart, you can see the wicks here on the bottom of that last candle. So pretty much seeing if we can get this 15-minute candle to push up above 445, and then we'll have some pretty big wicks there on the bottom of those two candles, looking for a push up here. Whew. Looks like she's trying. Trying to get a little reversal here on the SPY. I'm all out of those 444 puts. Gonna lock it all down there above $1 just to lock it in. Pretty good move from 59 cents up to $1.15 there. You can see this move this morning on those 444 puts. We ended up buying here at 60 cents. We had a push all the way up there to almost $1.20. About a 95% move there. So if the market can't push above 445 here on this 15-minute candle, I would still expect some downward pressure here, but I like to take profit. I'm okay with taking some profit. Those are same day expirations. So I'm green, baby. We're up almost. We had about a 70-80% move on those puts. So we are green, 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 baby. Let's go. Good morning, Bears. Welcome, welcome. The SPY right now holding this 445 level. Let's see if the 15-minute candle closes here above 445, what we're watching. Like I said, I'm not going to be able to stream for 5 hours a day. I know you guys enjoyed yesterday, just 5 hours of me sitting here staring at a chart, but I've got about another 45 minutes here before I'm going to go surfing, go get some big waves here in Hawaii today. Woo. Did a little bicep workout last night. Oh yeah, it's hurting, baby. It's hurting. Oh man. Let's go. 445 pushing up there. This looks like this could be the reversal here. Or like I said, kind of push up to the 446 level, maybe a little lower than 446. Test that 446 level before kind of rolling off, so you kind of get this move here where you push up and then pretty much like the market's going to go up, it's going to go back in time, and then it's going to go down. So we'll see what happens here. If you're just now tuning in, don't be afraid to hit that like button. Let's go. We got 75 people watching, only 37 likes. I don't know about you guys, but there's somebody out there, somebody in this chat right now has not hit the like button. I don't want to point fingers, but somebody out there is not being a team player right now. Come on, friends. Help me help you. So next week, pretty much got it figured out now. Next week, the goal is to start trading the futures here live on the channel with you guys. So if you've never traded futures, or if you're thinking about getting into futures, there could be some good information for you to check out here on the channel here pretty soon. I'll make a full video once we get a little closer to that and get it all ready, but the goal is to be trading futures here live on the channel with you guys. Matt R with the like. Let's go. So looking like it might get a reversal here on the SPY. Like I said, that 445 level holding right now. See if we can push up here to the VWAP and then kind of figure out what happens. If we get a push up here to the 446 level, get denied, I'll look to get short again on this reversal. So basically looking for like 446 level here, just like kind of like this. Like if we push up to this and then get stuck, maybe a little higher just in case we get a little fake out there. But basically looking for like a bear trap, or what, a bull trap here. Looking for a bull trap as this thing kind of pushes up and then gets rejected and then continues lower here. Good thing I sold those put options, those 444 put options, sold them up here above $1 now, but pulling back to 75 cents. So like I said, same day expiration. You know, I obviously wanted them to go higher, but the market kind of bouncing there, and that's going to obviously cut into the premium there. There's still a chance they could go higher later on today, but there's also a chance they could go lower as well. So those are the 444 puts that we paid 59 cents earlier for. They went up to a high of almost $1.20. So the best way to think about options for people, like if you want to learn about options, I think it's really simple. The best way to think about it is basically if you're paying 59 cents, right? Like if you pay 59 cents for a put option, that would cost you $59, right? So you pay $59 cash. $59 cash, and then if you sell it for $1.20, well, then you would obviously lock in $120 total for that, you know, not profit, but you're going to sell that $59 that you paid $59 that option. You're selling it for $120. You're basically doubling your money there. So you paid $59, you sell it for $120, you walk away with you know, what, $59 in profit. So you basically doubled your investment there. And I think that's a really good way to think about it, right? Like if you're buying one options contract, whatever the value is of that options contract, if you're paying, you know, 60 cents for it, let's say you're paying $1 and it goes to $2, well, you invested $100 and then you're taking $100 in profit there. So that's probably the best way to think about options, is just to forget about the, you know, the cents and think about it more as like, okay, you're paying basically, you know, $70 for this 70 cents because you're buying basically 100 shares or a contract to buy 100 shares. So best way to think about it, right? So right now, the SPY here at the 445 level, pulling back all the way down here to 444. This morning, right when the market was up here at the 447, 446 level, put out that alert that we were looking for a break below 446.50 and then try to fill some of this gap here. We got all the way down there to 444, but this could just be a reversal, kind of push up to that VWAP area, and then we start to sell off again. So we'll see what happens. Tesla, how's Tesla look? Tesla's getting murdered right now. Tesla dropping down below $1,000. Pretty amazing to see, like, Tesla in March going from $700 up there above 1,000 now, pulling back. So Tesla kind of just in this channel right now, I would say. Just basically like this on Tesla. So got denied up there at the top. Good possibility for Tesla to maybe pull back to the $700 level again. Possibility. We'll see what happens. I think I'm overall very bearish on the market. I know it you know, there's a lot of people out there that just think that, hey, the market always goes higher, the stock market always goes higher. But I mean, you look at some of these companies, man, and they've just gotten murdered so far this year, and I think there's still downside to come. You got a very good chance of a recession. You got a lot, you know, a lot of very bad things, I would say, kind of, you know, going on in the world. Obviously, you've got the whole thing with Russia. You've got, you know, pandemic worries. You got all these. I mean, you have so many different reasons. Inflation, the cost of goods, commodities. I mean, everything is going up in value, and people aren't getting, you know, if like I think I said the other day, I saw that, like, you know, the cost of like meat, the cost of different foods is up like 20-30% in the last year. And, you know, people aren't getting paid 20 to 30% more. Like if your income, you know, let's say you make $100,000 a year, like people aren't getting 20-30% raises. They're just not getting that. It's just not happening. So right now, the SPY pushing up there 446. Let's see if it's going to be denied or if we're going to break through strong there. Good thing I sold those put options. They are now back below where I paid 59 cents earlier for them. You can see here those put options now at 56 cents. So, hey, you got to take profit, baby. You got to take profit sometimes. Don't be afraid to take profit. Did Warrior Trading get a crack? Did they get cracked down by the FTC? Is that official, or did they just get a warning? I haven't really done much research into it. Oh yeah, there is. Oh wow, there's a whole thing right now. This came out April 19th. Complaint for permanent injunction, monetary relief, and other relief. Wow. Warrior Trading, Ross Cameron, the FTC. This is the real deal. I mean, they're done. That they are engaging in deceptive sales processes. Defendants have violated the FTC Act, making deceptive earning claims and misrepresenting material aspects of investment opportunities in telemarketing, including but not limited to the risk, earnings potential, or profitability of Warrior Trading's day trading strategies and related goods. Ouch. So yeah, Ross Cameron getting hammered right here. It says consumers who purchase and enroll in Warrior Trading's workshops, courses, and programs will be able to learn and deploy the strategies consistently, profitably. The representations are false, misleading, or unsustainable. Wow. Defendants advertise their day trading programs through a variety of marketing media, including search engine, Warrior Trading's website, online videos, YouTube channel, live streaming. Wow. This is real. I mean, they're getting hurt. They're getting hit. Even putting their Twitter. Oh man. They got the thumbnails in there. This is just coming out April 19th. Wow. They're pushing for a permanent injunction. Motion to approve proposed stipulated order for permanent injunction, monetary judgment, and other relief. Wow. They got him. Everyone told me like I was an idiot for talking about Warrior Trading being a big pump and dump, but clearly the United States District Court of Massachusetts feels very similar to my beliefs there. The SPY here at the 446 getting crushed. Looking like she's going to push back down now. Like I said, we were looking for that denial at the 446 level. $446 there. On the SPY, getting denied right now on the 15-minute chart. Looking like this thing wants to head lower. That was pretty much exactly. I mean, did we not say that exactly? We put that line in the chart, guys. We literally put the line there, 446. Look, got denied on the dot. Let's go. Welcome to the #1 day trading channel, baby. This is obviously, you know, not financial advice. You know, whatever I gotta say. I don't want the FTC to come after me. But I feel like most of my videos are pretty realistic, and I don't really, you know, not selling people a dream here and just telling people the truth. Day trading is extremely hard. And no, you cannot buy my course to learn how to day trade and become profitable overnight. It's just not going to happen. You can maybe buy Ross's course. Maybe Ross's course is going to be discounted. 50% discount on Ross Cameron's day trading courses. So the VWAP, the 446 level, giving the SPY trouble there resistance-wise. Those 444 puts went from 55 cents up to 80 cents just from this move alone, this drop down. So looks like the market believes, the options market is thinking that we're going to go lower here. I'm kind of watching this 445 level here. If we break below 445 again, I would say that 443 would be our next target. So we kind of, maybe kind of do, well, not like that, but maybe we go like this. Go and then. James Bond, he's back. I was missing him. James, you're late, buddy. We already killed it. I already killed it. You're late to the party. 007, no more. Just 005. There's only one 007 here, and that's me, baby. If you're just now tuning in, do me one big favor, hit that like button, subscribe button. Everybody always wants to, you know, say, like, how can I support the channel? Well, the best way that you can support the channel is by commenting, by being a part of it, by letting me know what you think, and leaving comments, and liking the videos, subscribing, all that fun stuff. So, you know, I'm not asking for much here, but just happening to ask for your support, you know. Appreciate you though either way. So let's get into it. Let's see what this 446 level here on the SPY, is it going to get held down here? Is it going to get held down? 446. Well, James, if that's the truth, I can't trade for. I gotta be done trading here at 5 a.m. anyway. So I'm gonna take my profit. I'm gonna take my profit today, and be happy with it. Right now, the 446 level holding it down. The SPY. Can she keep going lower? If you're just now tuning in, welcome. Let's go. Netflix, 221. I don't know, man. I think 220 maybe is the low on Netflix. Like, looking at this chart right here, like, you think about it, like, you think Netflix, right? Like, Netflix is this major, huge company. If you could buy Netflix for a 60% discount, I'm gonna be toe surfing outer, like, some of the reefs. Maybe not like a huge outer reef, but there's some reefs in Haleiwa that we go toe foiling. Like like I said, you look at Netflix and you're like, this is, it's Netflix. Like, this is a real deal company, and it's just getting murdered, man. Like, is it a good time to start buying Netflix? I don't know what's a better investment right now, to buy Netflix or to buy Bitcoin. What do you think? Bitcoin or Netflix? If you're going to invest, let's say I'm going to invest $20,000, would I be better off buying Bitcoin or would I be better off buying Netflix? What do you guys think? Netflix or Bitcoin? Anybody? Any experts here? Right now, Bitcoin bouncing off this level that we talked about yesterday. Is Ross live on YouTube right now? I doubt he's live on YouTube after that whole FTC announcement. Man, poor Ross Cameron. He just wanted to sell some courses, man. Oh, he did. He streamed an hour ago. Wow. Business is still the same. That's pretty amazing. You got a lawsuit with the FTC about false claims and marketing and all that, and you're still going live on YouTube. I like it. That's some serious bravado right there. I might have to make a video. Talking about the whole FTC thing. Okay, so 446 getting denied once again here on the SPY. I'm thinking this is wanting to obviously go lower here. Going to short the ES here. Looking for a move back to the 444.50 level. See if we got a nice little drop here. Break below 445.50 here. 446 area being my stop loss. If we break below if we break above 446, would obviously get stopped out there. But watching right now to see if we can break to the downside, go like this. Let's see. As long as 446 holds. $446 trying to get tested here again. Bouncing back. Oh, it might just want to go higher here. So getting out of that short. Pushing up a little bit higher now. some trapping going on right now. Pushed above 446, back above the VWAP here on the 3-minute chart. Watching now. Back below 446 now. 15-minute chart looking a little like it wants to be a reversal candle here. Get a doji. The VIX selling off here. So we could get bounce. This could be the bounce. I don't know how that's going to happen, but I've basically stopped applying logic to the market anymore. There is no logic to this market. So 446.30 area would be kind of a little resistance there with the VWAP. So looking like she wants to push up here. Unless they get denied here in the next few minutes. The VIX just got murdered. The VIX dropped from 2070 down to 1999 now. Hey, Piotr. Piotr? Piotr? P-I-O-T-R. Piotr. Why do I trade options compared to trading stocks? All right, so for a good example would be this morning. You know, I paid $59 for a contract, those puts, those 444 puts, right? I only paid $59. And then that basically represents me shorting, let's say 100 shares. So for me to short 100 shares of the, the SPY, it would cost what, $4,000? Yeah, like, $4,500 to short 100 shares of the SPY. So instead of shorting the actual shares, the stock, I can buy puts that basically are shorting the SPY in thesis. And it just allows you to trade, I would say, differently. Because, like I said, I'm also trading. You can trade in a cash account. You don't need margin. You don't need a massive account. Like for me to buy 100 shares of the SPY or to short 100 shares, I would need, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 in that account. Where with options, I only need a few $100 and I can short the SPY. So looking to see where this 15-minute candle closes at here now. Poland, let's go, baby. Entertainment. That's what we're all about here. We're not here for the financial advice. We're just here for the entertainment. Let's go. So the market pushing up there to 446.35 right now. I've got to sign off here in the next 15-20 minutes, so kind of just sitting back here. Not trying to give back any profit that we made this morning. Ain't giving back my profit. I ain't doing it. No. I am not going to do that. The number one goal, guys, is, well, we ain't giving back profit. We're taking profit. We're walking away with profit, but we ain't giving it back. Boom. Just got another little pop on the ES. That was a nice little $40 move. Trading the micros. I'm excited for you guys to see this new platform that I'm using for trading futures. Just kind of finalizing some stuff, getting it all figured out and ready for next week. Next week, we'll be trading futures live on the channel. I'm excited. Oh, yeah. So I think it's going to be cool because not that I want people to be following me, but I think if we get enough people that are trading futures together, trading the overall market, trading the ES, trading the NQ and all that, you know, let's come together as a team, right? We come together as a team. We trade together. We have, you know, kind of, we can talk about ideas and, you know, bounce ideas around. Ross Cameron. I can't really share the template, but I'm using the Ripster EMA clouds and I'm using the VWAP as my indicators. Or is taking the bet the market? Huh? Not sure. I am Vazu. Not sure what you mean there. If we talk about ideas. Yeah, let's just, you know, I think it's good to have multiple traders, have, you know, more people than just myself. You know, discussing the ideas. We're working as a team here, my friends. We're working as a team, not as, you know, it's not just me here. It's us together, baby. If you guys have some ideas on some trades, whatever you're looking at, let's know. Let's talk about it. Let's get into it. Bitcoin pushing up here. What else we got going on? AMC, where we at? AMC at 1780, 1768. I mean, people don't want to believe it, but I believe that AMC has a very good possibility of selling off down to the single digits. $9 to this level here, $8 to $9 on AMC by the end of the year. I'm saying it right now. There will be no MOAS. They'll just be $8 to $9. Trading is a single person game, obviously, but I think there's, you know, there's opportunity to have ideas together. Not that we all have to take the same trades, but, you know, if we all believe that the market's going to get stopped at a certain level, if we all believe that, you know, the market looks bearish, it kind of gives us an overall kind of guide. Working as a team here. Elon Musk just posted on Twitter. What did he post? Every time Elon Musk posts something on Twitter, it's like, what is he going to say now? Market pushing up here, trying to go higher. See if it'll push over 447 here. Let's see, over 447, pushes up 447.50 being the next resistance there. Little totally a V right here. Look at this V. Like I said earlier, taking profit on those put options, baby. I couldn't have taken profit at a better time. You can see the $1.20 was the high on those 444 puts. We paid 59 cents this morning. We had this huge move up to $1.20. Ended up taking profit there. And well, look at it now, down to 31 cents. So that's why we got to take profit when you got it, my friends. It's one thing to make a trade. It's another thing to take profit and then obviously, you know, cut off a loser as well. So something to think about. A lot of people can trade. A lot of people can buy a stock or they can sell a stock, but will they take profit when the opportunity is there? Again, big thanks to everyone for tuning in, watching. I'll be live tomorrow morning at 9:30, live every day 9:30. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We're doing it real. This is no promises, no guarantees, no marketing bullshit. It's just trading, baby. We're doing it as it happens, live, showing you guys the action. And I'm excited for next week. Got some big stuff going on, so definitely stay tuned for all the fun action to come. So the 447 area giving trouble now, some trouble to the SPY. Looks like I might get a pullback here. We could push above 447, push up to the 447.50 level. Let's see if it's going to happen. So the market running into that resistance there, 447. Looks like they're going to need a pullback here. Maybe pull back to the 446s again. The roosters are crowing. It's 4:40 in the morning, and these damn roosters are just crowing away. Crow, crow, crow. I'm going to see if this 446.50 area is going to hold here or break to the downside. Looking for a push over 447. Like I said, that 447.50 area be the next resistance. Right there at the VWAP standard deviation on the chart. We'll go live. Go live out the on the jet ski. Give you guys a live stream from the jet ski. Here we are. We're live on the jet ski right now. Let's go. Well, I won't be wearing a bikini. No bikinis for me today. There will be no bikinis being worn by me. I might actually wear a wetsuit because it's gonna be a little chilly. So the market trying to figure out which way it wants to go here. Looking for a breakout over 447. Or some indecision right here. Market not figuring out which way it wants to go. Whoa. Whoa. Hello? Oh no, I think maybe get that pullback to the 446s. And there we go. See if 446 gets touched. Boo-doo-ba-doo-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo-doo. 15-minute chart looking like a bull flag right now. As long as it kind of holds up into this level, 446.50, it would be kind of bullish. Look for a breakout to the upside here. Do-do-do-do-do-do. I don't know if you guys remember yesterday. If you tuned in for yesterday for the live stream, we talked about pretty much all day long the market went sideways, and there was people in the chat that were, you know, more bearish, and I was pretty much thinking that we were going to push to 445 by the end of day yesterday. And well, look where we went, all the way up here to 445.71. So nice little move yesterday. What's funny is I turned off the live stream literally right here, right as the market started to finally go higher. Oh, that was funny. That was real funny. You know, real comedy. Real freaking comedy. So the market looking like she wants to be a bull flag right here. If it pushes, I'd say like this, push above this here, we can push above 447. If it breaks out to the upside here. Roy Jenkins in the house. AMC down to 1783. I don't know. You know, I have to give a lot. You have to give credit, right? You have to give credit to the AMC bulls that believed that you know, AMC was going to go to $100, $3,000, $10,000. Like, there's people out there that literally believe that one day AMC is going to be $100,000. So there's that break to the upside here, looking like she wants to go higher here. See if we can ride some momentum above 447. If we keep pushing higher. Push above 447 here. Let's see. Got about a few more minutes here before I got to roll out, but let's see what happens here. If we push above 447 now. Put a little bit more green in my pocket here. Got to pay for that gas. You know, gas ain't cheap, my friends. Ooh, baby, she going higher. She going higher. She going higher, higher, higher. $447. Pushing up there. 447.05. 447.06. Well, that worked out beautifully. Ended up taking a little long position there on the ES. Got in at 4,476. Looking to see if we can push a little bit higher here. Over the 480s on the ES right now. 480. Let's push it, baby. Come on. Give me a big boner candle here. Boner candle. I feel pretty good about today. At least for being on the right side of the move today. That was the key today, is just to, you know, we got to be on the right side of the market. Don't fight the trend. Ride the market. Ride the wave, baby. We don't paddle against the wave. We paddle with the wave. At least that's what I think we're supposed to do, right? In theory. Hey, Joe Lopez. We got all the characters around here today. SPY trying to push up above 447 again here. Little bull flag breakout there to the upside. Little bull flag breakout. Oh my. Oh my. See if we can break over the high of this candle. The high of this candle was 447.11. High of this candle is 447.11 again. Oh yeah. Nice little pops on the ES there. From the 79s up there to 82. Just in and out. On that note, I think I'm gonna just kind of walk away with my profit today, my friends. Making profit on those put options. Look at this thing. I mean, did we not sell at the exact, I wouldn't say the top, but we pretty much crushed it on these puts. We paid 59 cents this morning for these put options, these 444 puts. We saw kind of the reversal at that 444 area and locked it down. Those puts are now at 25 cents. So luckily, we weren't stubborn, we weren't greedy, and that's the biggest thing, my friends, is remember, bears and bulls make money in the market, right? Bears and bulls make money. It's the pigs that get slaughtered, right? The pigs get slaughtered. And well, I think the best indicator for why this was going to bounce was basically these two 15-minute candle closes. You had two 15-minute candles with big wicks on the bottom, bouncing off that 444 level, not going lower. And then that close pushing up, and then obviously getting that V move back up there. So I'm not going to say that I predicted the exact move here, but I mean, we basically called out the break below 446.50. We got the move down, and then now we're pushing back up there. And there's that breakout to the upside up there, almost to a high of 447.50. So I feel pretty good about it. I don't know about you guys, but I feel pretty good about it. Solid day. Solid day. Gas in Kuwait. 34 cents. Oh, that seems like a good deal. I will buy gas for 34 cents. No problem. No problem. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, and if you guys haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe button. Let's go. Get it going now, my friends. But I'm going to go surfing. I'm going to go surfing. That's what it's all about, my friends. We wake up in the morning, we make some profit, we lock it in, And then guess what? Now I'm going to go live my life, right? It's only 5 o'clock in the morning here in Hawaii, and that's why I love this schedule so much, and that's why I like doing these live streams. I like being here with you guys, is, you know, I can wake up, make a little bit of money, and then go enjoy the day. You know, I'm going to go surfing now. I'm going to go work out later and keep this party going. So I'll be back live tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button. You know what to do. Hit the bell notification as well. Follow me on Instagram. It's at Patrick Wieland on Instagram. At Patrick Wieland on Instagram. So check me out on there if you want to learn more about the broker. So, yeah, there we go. 5 hours yesterday. I put in 5 hours yesterday, Ryan. I live streamed for 5 hours yesterday. Today was, see, that's the thing, is like I live streamed for 5 hours today. Didn't really have a good day in the market. Today, you know, the first hour, we killed it. We killed it, basically 100% gain on those puts that we bought. We locked in the profit. We traded a couple little ES moves. We got some big stuff going on next week. So stay tuned, get ready, let's go. Keep telling your friends, your family, tell your mom, your aunt, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your aunt, your cousin, your sisters, and everybody. Let's go. Get people watching the stream. We're going to the moon. Big things coming, and exciting either way. So James, that's the thing. There's always going to be opportunity, right? There's always going to be more trades. I made my profit for the day. I feel good about it. Over $500 in profit. So, you know, lock it down, walk away, come back tomorrow, do it all over again. A little profit every day is the key in life. And also, you know, I think the best thing to do is you got to reward yourself, right? Like, you got to reward yourself for doing it. I woke up at 3:30 this morning. I did what I needed to do. I locked in the profit. And now I'm going to go surf and have a good day. So, again, big thanks everyone for watching. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm excited. I'm already ready. I might just sit here until tomorrow morning because I'm not ready for tomorrow morning. Let's go. Talk to you guys later on.